Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a very common issue. You fill out a form on your website and see the thank you message, but when you check your email, no confirmation email is received. So, I have also shown in my previous video how to add a trigger on a button when a form is submitted. But today we are focusing on fixing email delivery issue, so let's get started. So let's first test the issue so you can see exactly what's happening. I will go ahead and fill out this form. Now after submitting the form, you can see the thank you message. That means the form is worked correctly. But when I check my email box, no email, nothing in spams, promotions or any other folders. So this is a common problem with forms, whether you use Fluent Forms, WP Forms, Contact Form 7, Elementor Forms. WordPress does not send emails reliably by default. So we need to fix that. So go to your dashboard. Since I created this form with Fluent Forms, go to the Fluent Forms. Select the form you have created. So I created this waitlist form. Edit the form and go to the settings and integration. Click on email notification. Here you can see the emails settings. So I have already set up confirmation email that should be sent to the user. Now let's check if everything is correctly configured. Make sure the send to field contains the email of the person filling the form. If you used a shortcode for the email field, make sure it's correct. So you have to copy the email field shortcode and paste it here. Now customize your email message. This is the message that should be sent to the user. Now the main thing is go to the advanced tab. You can add your business name here. Here you need to add a from email. Use your business email. If you don't know your business email, go to your cPanel, email accounts and copy your business email. So there's a lot of email, but I prefer this one, so I copy this and paste it here. Or on reply to you can add the email shortcode. Now let's test again. I will fill out the form. And as you can see, I still did not receive any email. That means we need another fix. So why this happens? The problem is that WordPress does not use a reliable email sending system. Instead, it tries to send emails directly from the server, which often gets blocked by email provider like Gmail or Outlook. So the solution, we need to set up SMTP to send emails properly. And the best way to do that is using the WP Mail SMTP plugin. So to fix this issue, we have to install and set up the WP Mail SMTP plugin. So go to the WordPress dashboard and add a new plugin. Search for WP Mail SMTP. Click install and activate. Now we will configure the WP Mail SMTP. So go to their settings. So under from email, enter your business email, which you have pasted on the Fluent Form settings. So account@bhome.au is my business email account. So I will paste it here. Now make sure force from email is enabled. By default, the mailer is set to PHP, but you need to select other SMTP instead. Once selected, you will see the SMTP settings that need to be filled out. To get the correct SMTP details, go to your cPanel and select your business email and select the connected devices. And you will find the mail client manual settings here. This contains the information we needed. Now you can follow this step. Copy the outgoing mail server and paste it to the SMTP host field. Set encryption to SSL and enter port 465. Enable auto TLS Also enable the authentications. So here you can see the user's name and their password. So for the username you can enter your business email address, and on the password you use your email account password. So if you don't remember the password, go to the email accounts in cPanel, select manage and reset the password. So after entering all the details, save the changes. Now let's test if SMTP is working or not. Go to the tools under SMTP, then go to the email test, enter your email address in the send to field and click on send email. Check your inbox. If you receive the test email, it means SMTP is working correctly. So as you can see, I received this email. That means it's worked completely fine. Finally, let's test the actual form to see if emails are now being sent. So I will fill out the waitlist form and submit it. Now let's check the inbox. And thankfully the email has been received. So that's how you can fix this issue by configuring SMTP settings and ensuring your form email notifications are set up correctly. You can make sure your user receive confirmation emails without any issue. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you have any question or need help, feel free to drop a comment below and I will happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.